There's a little bit of rust on these links, so I'm just going to use some rust penetrant. Spray those down, let them soak for a little bit. Take a 14mm wrench, and on the back side, to prevent the stud from spinning, use a 14mm socket and take the nut off. Take that nut off and you can slide that out. You can do the same with the other one. Take that nut off and just slide the link out. And install the new one the same way the old one came out. Slide it in position. You may have to adjust the stud to make it line up. And it's helpful to do both at the same time. Put the nuts on. And take the 14mm wrench and hold the stud from spinning and use a 15mm socket. Snug these up first. Then torque these nuts to 41 foot-pounds. Do the same on the top one.